Careful, James. I've broken him already. I've broken him, so it should be easy target. Well, I'm going round the back. I'm going round the back of here.
Hey, I'm fucked. He's better. There's another one in that. There's another one in that building. The one at the end.
Shit. Oh, that was lucky.
Live tag coming up the train.
I'm inside. Mother. How did he know I was there? More importantly, how the fuck did he jump in? Oh, he jumped off and jumped in again. Little shit. Sorry, right to left, brother. He's got green marker. Nice.
Lovely.
Extractor standing by.
This is Striker 3-1, good job. Strike him.
Enemy UAV on ahead. Friendly UAV overhead. Eye for an eye.
Who shot him?
Bounty target down. The skies.
There then. Down there with you? He's down there with us, isn't he?
Cluster strike away.
Taking effective fire.
Yep.
Target spotted. One down. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Yeah, he's the top floor.
Enemy.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
I'm gonna go get him. I'm down. Yeah, no, they're coming. Take him down, mate. Oh, what happened there? Okay.
There's three of them, Tim.
Helicopter coming in.
You must have killed him by now. Oh, there's one up here on the roof. Shit. There's one on the roof behind me.
Down the sniper, nice do. Nice move. Where?
No pistols, no nothing.
Stand by for redeployment.
Never gonna work. You got it,
Lovely.
Charlie.
We've got gas move. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Stand by for redeployment.
Hey, fuck you, Speedsoft boy.
How the fuck am I already dead? Nice.
Getting contact. Their ass. Stand by for
Well done, Harley.
redeployment. Right, deploy.
They still up on the roof here?
Enemy!
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Very good snipers.
Going in. Wait, cancel that. Going in. Wait, cancel that.
Watch your back. AO.
Contact!
Friendly UAV overhead.
I don't know if I make it or not. Oh, they got the helicopter. Well done, mate.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
He's coming in, Harley. He's just outside the building. He's with you.
Down. Well done.
Did you get him?
Headed west. Bounty target is down. Well done. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Oh, then, well, now. Okay. This is the cleanest print I've done without using a raft. Then you can do something here between military and dab with that.
Okay, he is down. Someone there, someone there. Okay, he is down. Good.
Together.
Who is Haidar?
Front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, son. Don't fuck around. Yeah, you kicked their ass.
They're inside.
Taking effective fire. Using tear gas.
He's pushed out. Oh no, he's just here. Dead. Team wipe.
Come for? Oh shit, I fell off the train. Oh, that's annoying.
Oh no, man.
One down. Did you get yours? Oh, he's on the top of the window. He's on the roof and the other one.
Get up and go.
Nice. Yeah, the other one's still up there, blue roof again. I can't do anything while that loadout box is there. Oh, nice. He's dead, isn't he? Oh,
Taking
fuck.
effective fire. Sort them out or capture the objective. Stand by for redeployment.
He's somebody behind you any second, my brother. Yeah. Oh, that. He's gonna have the card, isn't he? The event or whatever.